G'day folks, Corey here. Hope you're having a good day. I want to talk about email because it's such a great marketing channel, so often underused or not used or could be done better. And I want to talk about an email that I received last year that I've talked about in my email this morning. And it was so useful and helpful that I thought I'd talk about it now on YouTube as well. So the subject line of the email that I received last year was this: $19 credited to your account. Okay, so that's coming from a business I've done business with before, somewhere I've purchased some things and they've gone back to their database for aged accounts, people who haven't bought something for a while, and they have sent them this email. Now, the main idea with an email subject line, well, actually, the only idea with a subject line is to get the email opened. Okay, that is the most important part of your email strategy, is to get the email opened. Now, $19 credited to your account. You know what happened next, right? I opened the email, pretty dang predictable. I was like, oh, what's this? What's going on here? $19. I love free money, so I'll click on that. So, job done. Email's been opened, and as a pre-existing customer, I'm very interested in their stuff. So then I did the most predictable thing again. I clicked on the link that they had in the email to use that voucher on more stuff. Okay, so I've used the free credit, I've purchased more stuff, I've spent way more than $19, obviously. So they've got a small win, but they've reactivated me on their database. I've got some stuff. I talk about the business. I use the business. They've got some sales. It was genius because it just flat out worked. I'd love to contact the business owner and find out exactly how much revenue they generated from that email, but it's really, really creative and fun, and something I want you to think about, which is, how can I reach out to previous people that have done business with my business and get them to re-engage, buy some more stuff, and get talking about my business? So it's just a simple idea, but it works. Now, email is simple, it's effective, it's something that we often ignore because we're looking for the new customers that we haven't done business with before, but it's way, way easier to sell to people that have done business with you before. They know you, they like you, they trust you. That's the job of marketing. So that's been achieved already. So why not go back to them? The next part of the equation for people is, oh, I don't have email, I don't know what to do, etc. And I've talked about that in my Digital Marketing for Rookies group today. I've got a strategy in there that works, so I'll link that in the comments below so you can read the next steps, because often people will start to freak out about things that are actually not that important. The idea is, get an idea like this launched into your business, because it can wake people up, it can get people sharing that email to friends, and it can be a really good source of business for you very quickly. All right, guys, if you need any help with that stuff, feel free to comment below. I will answer. All right, let's talk later on.